Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Coming to you from the sauna in the bunker. What do we got? Only 118 degrees. It is what? January the 19th? That'd make it Wednesday. So yesterday, I'm still trying to kick this cold since I've had kind of since the beginning of the year. I normally don't get sick that much, but it seems like in my life when I do, something really kind of hits me. Anyhow, I'm rebounding. So yesterday, our oldest daughter, who lives here in town, sent me a link and this would be just if you're a United States resident or you have a home or an apartment in the United States. The government is mailing free COVID tests, one per household, and I think in every box there's 4. So I'm on the list. I applied yesterday. I'm like, I'll take it. So in the link below, somewhere, there'll be a link directing you to put in your information if you want one. Again, for those of you that don't know, I took a COVID test like 10 days ago, and it wasn't negative or positive. It came out like, it wasn't inconclusive. It was like invalid. Like it couldn't say if it was positive, and it couldn't say if it was negative. So did I have it? I don't know. Do I care? I don't know. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, that's one thing that I wanted to say, free COVID test kit. And I didn't want to make a dedicated video about this, but not a lot, but I would say an unusual amount of deaths are happening around me. Not so much in my immediate family, but you know how like when you're on Facebook and you're friends with everybody, or at least I am. Lots of older people have died that I know casually or from a distance since like November, December. So, and then we had a friend that was close to us pass away a week ago. So anyhow, don't know if it's what or just old age. But anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, link below, free COVID test. If you have, they don't send them to P.O. boxes, but if you have a house or an apartment or a regular street address or a business, I guess, they would send it to you. Anyhow, getting long-winded, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family, and I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.